Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a single target wake time you can sustain. Tonight, move bedtime 15 to 30 minutes earlier. Repeat nightly until you reach the goal. Once done, expose yourself to bright morning light for 30 to 60 minutes to shift your circadian clock earlier. This is the core mechanism. Make sure to dim lights and use blue light blockers in the evening 2 to 3 hours before bed. This prevents mixed signals to your brain and supports the phase advance. Once the initial shift is underway, you must reinforce the new rhythm consistently. Stick to the same wake and sleep times every day within 15 minutes because consistency cements the circadian adjustment. Make daytime habits help. Get outdoor light and exercise earlier in the day, and avoid caffeine or alcohol late afternoon or evening since they delay sleep. If needed and approved by your clinician, low-dose melatonin taken 4 to 6 hours. You finish by stabilizing the schedule for at least 3 weeks so the circadian system fully adapts. Once stable, preserve morning light exposure and consistent behavior to prevent relapse. If progress stalls, pause further shifts and check adherence. Timing of bright light, melatonin timing, screen exposure, and sleep hygiene all matter. If adjusting these doesn't work or symptoms impair daily life after 6 to 12 weeks, consult a sleep specialist for chronotherapy or cognitive behavioral therapy tailored to delayed sleep phase syndrome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.